In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a project in Basecamp. Whether you're managing team members or making organizational changes, it's important to know how to efficiently update project rosters. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure that you can easily and confidently manage your project participants. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the project in Basecamp where the person you wish to remove is listed. This might involve logging into your Basecamp account and navigating to the dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Once you're on the project's main page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it, as this will make the process smoother. Now, at the very top of the project page, you should see an option labeled something like Set Up People. Depending on your version of Basecamp, the wording might vary slightly, but generally, it will point you towards managing the people involved in your project. Click on that option to open the list of all individuals or teams that are currently part of this project. As you browse through the list, find the name of the person or client you wish to remove. This can be a team member, collaborator, or even an external client who has been granted access to this particular project's details. Once you've located their name, look to the right, and you should see a small menu icon, often represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on this menu icon. A drop-down menu will appear with various options regarding this specific individual's role in the project. From here, select the option that says Remove or Remove from Project. It's important to carefully read the options here to ensure you're making the right choice, as you don't want to inadvertently alter someone's role or permissions by mistake. After you click Remove, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental removal, which can be particularly useful in avoiding any unintentional disruptions to your project management. Confirm the removal, and with that, the person will be successfully taken off the project. It's important to note that once someone is removed, they will no longer have access to any project details or future updates unless they are re-invited. And that's it. You've successfully removed a person from your project in Basecamp. This simple process is a great way to keep your project members up to date and ensure that only the necessary participants have access. Remember, maintaining a curated list of project participants is crucial for effective collaboration and project security. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions or need more guidance, feel free to leave a comment below.